It's Maurice. Today let me show you our new filter element. This can be loaded with any filter material needs such as carbon, resin, and today let me show you. It is convenient to replacement so it can save cost. We can say this is resin and we can load it. You can say that it's okay. It has good pressure resistance. I'm 60 kilograms and let me show you when I'm standing it. Thanks for your watching. If you have any interest in our products, feel free to contact us. Thank you.